Hello fam, finally we are down to the last video of best of 2020 and I'm really happy because I will be ending this video with my best skincare products. Now saying best doesn't mean that it has to be best for you. Your views can differ on certain products which I'm going to show you. So keep your eyes open, mind open, because you have a different skin, you have different issues. I have a different skin and I have different issues. So before buying a product, you need to know everything about your body and skin. So without rambling too much, let's get started and know some stunning skincare products I happen to enjoy in 2020. So I will not be showing you products in a hanky-panky style. I will be going step by step so that I can catch up on most of the products I want to show you. Not every product I have physically in my hand to show you, but I have done dedicated reviews on mostly all of the products I'm going to talk about today. So yes, this video is going to be long. So as I said earlier, you have to grab a snack and sit tight because you're going to discover some amazing skincare products. Cleansing balms. If you are a person who wears a lot of makeup or a person who just wear a minimalistic makeup and you just happen to wear makeup in general, you have to have a good cleansing balm. I always insist on double cleansing. I never believe in one cleansing because I feel you're not doing justice to your skin, and then later when you have issues, then you crib what exactly happened. So the two cleansing balms which I happen to enjoy in the year 2020, the first one is my Plum Be Good E-Luminous Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. I've done a full review on this product. This is the empty jar. I have already bought the second one and this I completely used up. Yes, I really like the texture of this. Many of you have a doubt that will it complement the oily skin and will it clog the pores. The only best thing which you can do with your skin is cleanse your makeup with it first, and then instantly after wiping it, just go in with the double cleansing. By doing that, your pores will not be clogged, and secondly, you will not feel heavy. It is a heavy product. It is made for dry skin. It is not for oily skin. But I personally like this product, and Winter's May, it is just too good. So yes, this is something which I have absolutely loved in 2020. Moving on to ultimate favorite cleansing balm of mine is the Face Shop Herb Day Cleansing Balm. This I don't know which number of tub I'm using. I think it's the 5th tub I'm using. I already have a backup with me, but I absolutely love this one. Also, this is full. This is, I think, new. I have not even opened it because I'm already using another Herb Day in the mixed fruit version. This is how it is, and I've shown this cleansing balm like a million times to you all. I've done a full comparison video of this cleansing balm with the Clinique Take the Day Off. Now this is something which has to be in my vanity, has to be. This is really good. For a price, you're getting an extremely good cleansing balm. So yes, if you are dry skin, oily skin, everybody is going to love it because it's not heavy, but it instantly melts all the makeup and help you remove. Yes, this is something which I have loved in 2020 itself. I have used like 2 tubs of it. So this is a newest purchase. I absolutely love it. If you want to buy a good cleansing balm, I think this is the one to go for. And the only micellar water which I happen to enjoy in 2020, and I've done a full review on this product, is the Wow Skin Science Coconut Clarifying Micellar Water. This made it to my top 15 Wow products also. The reason I'm loving this product in general is that this is the first ever micellar water which doesn't dry out my skin. This is one issue which I would face with many other micellar waters in the market. I do not say that they're not good. They really remove the makeup really well. I've used the Nivea one, I've used the Garnier one, but frankly speaking, the after effect on my skin, this one really does the job for me. So yes, this removes everything. It even removes the Huda Beauty eyeliner. So if you are struggling with a good micellar water, a hydrating one, get this one. You are sorted. Now there are a million cleansers which I have used in year 2020, specifically year 2020, because this was the year where I did invest a lot on skincare. I did try a lot of new products. I did happen to excessively buy skincare, but saying that, I was not wasting anything. Instead, I was using up everything, and I did went ahead and bought few things, as in repurchase them. Now let's talk about cleansers brand wise, or else I will be mixing up here a lot. The first step, I'm going to touch up on the Kaya Skin. The first cleanser which I absolutely love by Kaya was the Kaya Derma Natural Tea Tree Purifying Face Wash. Oh, if you are an acne prone, if you are an oily skin, you're gonna love this. If you're on a dry skin, then I would not suggest you this one, because this face wash is made for oily skin. I have absolutely loved it. I'm gonna repurchase it soon. I'm just waiting for that summers to hit. But yes, this is the cleanser by Kaya which actually touched my heart, and for the price I felt it was a steal deal. So yes, a good cleanser for combination to oily skin. Another cleanser by Kaya which I absolutely love, and I feel this is a well done cleanser if a person doesn't like exfoliating the skin, or a person who has a little sensitive skin would love this cleanser, is the Brightening Bead Cleanser. This has these minute beads, very minute. You will not even feel it on your skin if you put a lot of pressure, then only, or else just go gentle and you are sorted. I like this cleanser so much because I'm a person who avoids a lot of physical exfoliation on my skin, because I do not like to do it every second day. I'm a person who would exfoliate my skin like twice a month, not more than that, because I do not like it. My skin doesn't appreciate it. So this kind of a cleanser really works well for me. This is my third tube by Kaya, and I absolutely love this one, and this doesn't dry out my skin. So yes, if you haven't tried this one, you should be looking out for this cleanser. Another favorite brand of mine, another go-to brand, is the Garnier. The Garnier Skin Natural Light Complete Duo Action Face Wash. Oh, I always go back to this cleanser. Every year it happens with me. And I know this is one cleanser which can fix my skin with other products in the same line, which I will show you in a minute. But yes, this cleanser by itself really works wonderful for combination to oily. If you are a dry skin, then I would not suggest you this product. But for me, it works absolutely wonderful. I'm already using this one. I've already used so many tubes. I've shown you a number of tubes in my MT, so I really don't have to talk too much on it. But this is one cleanser you should be eyeing. Now, do not judge the product because brands write fairness, whiteness and all that. Do not buy the product in that sense. Just buy the product for other properties. So it really clarifies the skin well and give you a very squeaky clean face. So if you want something like that, then this is the one to go for. So now I am down to my favorite brand from which I have tried like a ton of cleanser, is the Wow Skin Science India. Now I have done reviews on every single product I have got from them so far, and none of the videos are sponsored. For your information, I genuinely love this brand for their skincare, even their hair care products, and I do buy them very often just because they do not hurt my pocket. Secondly, I get to try more products, and thirdly, that I can get some new content for you guys. So yes, I did try a lot of cleansers, and I cannot show you every cleanser I've tried because there's no count to it. So if you want to check out every cleanser or every product review, there is a folder called Wow Skin Science India review video. There's a folder I have made in which you will get every single product review which I have bought from the year 2019 December till date. So yes, I have like 3 of them to show you, but I will be talking about some others also which I have absolutely loved. The first one which I absolutely loved is the Wow Skin Science Anti-Acne Face Wash. This is again enriched with tea tree and neem leaf. Now this is specifically made for oily skin, combination to oily skin. So if you are having acne issues, or you feel that your skin does secrete a lot of sebum, then this face wash would come handy. But saying that, I would not say that this particular face wash dry out the skin. It doesn't do that for some reason. So I absolutely loved this product during 2020. The other cleanser which I absolutely love by Wow Skin Science, I'm currently using it with another one, is the Wow Skin Science Coconut Hydrating Foaming Face Wash. Again, something really well done. It's into a foam finish. You just need like 2 pumps of it and you're done with your whole face. My double cleansing, the second cleansing I do with this product, because for this kind of a weather, I feel you need more of a hydrating cleansers. But for some reason, Wow Skin Science has done amazing job with all of their cleansers so far I've tried, because I somewhat feel that none of their cleansers only leaving one. Other than that one, none of the cleansers dry out my skin. So that's like 100 on 100, a brand doing it with their every cleanser. So this one, again, something I have absolutely loved and I'll continue using it. Another interesting cleanser which I have loved from Wow Skin Science is the Amazon Rainforest cleanser with the white clay. I have absolutely loved that cleanser. I do not have the tube because I've completely finished it off and I have thrown the tube, so I don't have it to show you guys. So that is one cleanser which, if you are a oily skin, you will enjoy it. Even if you're dry skin, you will like it. It's just that you have to immediately moisturize your skin because it has that white clay which is going to dry up your skin. So you have to watch out the ingredients also in a cleanser. You just not be blaming a cleanser, oh it is drying out. At least read the ingredients, because अगर ingredients ही वैसे हैं then you cannot be getting a hydrating skin. So that is one cleanser which I absolutely love for my skin, but I did not repurchase it because this is not the right weather to use it because it is drying already. Delhi is extremely cold. And last is my ultimate favorite cleanser by Wow Skin Science, and this is my third tube by them, is the Wow Skin Science Aloe Vera Hydrating Face Wash. Again, something absolutely loved by me. I did bought this product in the summertime. I completely used it up. I did not repurchase it, but I loved it so much, and I knew that I'm going to enjoy this cleanser more in winters because I feel this cleanser overhydrated my skin in summers. So I did went ahead and bought another one with the inbuilt brush which is in my bathroom, so I thought I'll just show you this one. So again, something really well done by Wow Skin Science, and I absolutely love this cleanser. I will definitely be repurchasing this again and again just because the hydrating properties it has, and I feel for certain weather this cleanser is really well made. So if you're a dry skin person and you need that hydrating cleanser, then this is the one to go for. Exfoliators. Now I am not a person who enjoys a lot of exfoliation, and frankly speaking my skin doesn't need it. I personally also feel, and I have seen it with a lot of cleansers, they do not do anything extraordinary. Instead they can overstrip my skin. But there are two which I love for my skin, and if I have to exfoliate my skin, these are the only two I will use. The first one is the Face Shop Smart Peeling White Jewel Pearl. This I got in Diwali. I absolutely love this product. Before this I used to use from the Face Shop only. They have this papaya one in the bottle style which you have to pump it and you get the product out. I have used that one, so I wanted to try this one and I absolutely love it. They both are same, I would say. They are just like, it's like more of a cleanser kind. You just have to massage it on your skin and that skin would just come off. But there are days when I do that, nothing comes out because my skin doesn't have that dead skin forming up. The only reason being that I do take care of my skin really well. That much I will give it to myself because you know how much I am on skincare. So yes, this product has been my buddy. It's very gentle and I like it. It doesn't, you know, dry out my skin so fast. It just gives me enough time after exfoliation to do other things and then moisturize my skin and I'm sorted. So if you are looking out for a good gentle exfoliator, then you can be looking out for this one because it is pocket friendly and easily available. And next up, I have only one physical exfoliator, a very mild one, and I feel this can really fit in a lot of people's expectation of exfoliation, because I do feel the normal exfoliators which you get, they have very big chunks of walnut and apricot and whatnot, and that exactly damages your skin. You do not feel happy about it, and then you get that red skin, irritated skin, and then you are wondering, what did I just do to myself? So if you are looking out for something really gentle but still can exfoliate your skin, then I think this one should be the one you should be going for. This is the Wow Skin Science Amazon Rainforest Acai Scrub. I've done a full review on this product. Again, something which I absolutely love using. The only reason I'm loving this scrub is that it is very gentle. The beads which you see or the scrub particles which are in here are very fine, very gentle on the skin, and you do not have to scrub your face like a 5 minutes. You can just do it for 1.5 minutes and you will still get squeaky clean face. The only one thing which you have to keep in mind that this product is gonna dry out your skin instantly, because again this also has the white clay. Keeping that in mind, if you still want to go ahead and buy a good exfoliator, a gentle one, then this is one of my favorite picks. And you know that I do not buy a lot of scrubs or exfoliators. That is why I did show you only two, because I love only two. I think now we have reached to a very interesting point in this video and the favorite segment of mine, face pack and face mask, and something which I absolutely love investing my time in. I'm a person who doesn't like to go for facials or cleanup, and frankly speaking, I can actually count on my fingers how many times I would have gone for a facial. I think 3 in my whole lifetime, because I do not enjoy facials. My skin doesn't like it. So the bare minimum or the best treatment which I can give my skin is a good face pack. So I don't mind investing in a good face pack, because अगर मैं clean up कराऊंगी तो आराम से 1,500-2,000-2,500 का bill आ जाएगा. And if I go to a very expensive parlor, then let's just not talk about the pricing. So buying a face pack and applying it to my skin at least twice a week is something very religiously I have been doing. So yes, I have a lot of face pack, but I'm going to show you only 3, and you can pick random flavors, whatever you like for yourself. The first one I have is the Ikai Papaya Preserve Face Souffle. Something which I have absolutely loved for my skin. If you want instant brightening on the skin, if you want to have that facial skin in like 15 minutes, then buy this. And the effect of this lasts on the skin at least for 7 days. So this is something which has to be there into my skincare. This is the last packet I'm left with. I was about to use it yesterday. I did not, just because I wanted to film this video. Yes, this is the product you should be going. This doesn't dry out completely on the skin. It will be wet and hydrating. The best part about this souffle is that it doesn't have any kind of preservative. You just have to cut, use it. You can even massage it on your skin if you want to, and leave the pack. It doesn't dry out. So you can wash up your face after 15 to 20 minutes and you still get a good brightened up skin and non-drying, because this product doesn't dry out on your skin. So this is one best factor about this product, so I like it so much that I keep buying and using. But they have revamped the packaging. You get the tubes also, so you can actually go ahead and buy the tubes now. You don't have to buy the packets, because that's a really nice thought, because buying so many packets, again you are dumping so much of packet in the dustbin. So I will be soon buying the tube, but this one absolutely does amazing things for my skin. The next one I have is by the Wow Skin Science India, the Amazon Rainforest Mineral Face Pack. Something I absolutely love. This is my current obsession, okay? Because I have so many by them. So I've given away a lot, but I've kept this one. I've kept the tea tree one because summers will arrive, and I'm eyeing they have this gold one also which I'm eyeing, and I have the Upton one in my bathroom which I applied on my body, leave it for 2-3 minutes and wash it off. Oh, I just love my body after that. So yes, I do try and I do use a lot of face pack by Wow, but just jump onto that folder of mine where I've talked about every single product of Wow, so that you can decide which one you want. Saying that, every face pack of theirs will give you more of a rejuvenated skin, and if you're into your aging, I would highly suggest you go in with some good face pack and good face mask, just to keep your skin more firmer, more tighter, and yes, you will see a much more better difference in your skin, because the effect of a face pack is long lasting and a sheet mask can be like more of an instant hydrator. So you can accordingly decide which one to buy. There are so many to pick from, but this one is current favorite of mine. I've absolutely loved in 2020. Moving on to another interesting face pack, a pack which I feel have been done really well by this brand, Nykaa. Yes, you heard me right, Nykaa. Did you really heard me right? Nykaa? Yes, it is Nykaa. This is the Nykaa Clay It Cool Spot Corrector Clay Mask. I had the pink one also, but I gave it to my friend because she happened to use it once and she absolutely loved it, and I was like, you can take it because I have a lot of face mask, so I can actually just give one to you. So she absolutely loved it and she's enjoying that face mask. But this one I kept it though for me because I love this one a lot. Again, I used to multi-mask with this one and the other one, so maybe soon I will buy another one from the same range. But again, something really well done. You just need a thin layer of this mask. It dries down less than 5 minutes and you can just wash up your face and you get such amazing rejuvenated skin. Again, I would say with the face mask, do not expect too much out of them. But when you start doing it regularly, you will definitely see some changes in your skin appearance. So yes, again, a wonderful product, again, a wonderful mask which I have enjoyed past year and I absolutely love it. Again, well done, Nykaa. You must be wondering why no toners, because I have not tried a single toner in the year 2020 and happened to stop using toner completely into my skincare. And yes, I really like my skin. Past 2020, it was an experiment year for me, but I have really done well on my skin, and toner is one thing which I removed it completely and I've seen a major difference on my skin. So yes, you have to do a little bit of experiment with your skin by removing certain steps or maybe adding few. So that is your own call, but I strictly prohibit toner on my skincare routine. That was quite a lot of skincare and everything will be mentioned in my description if you want to grab one for yourself. But I have done full dedicated reviews on every single products I have to show you in this video, and I'm really happy to try so many different skincare, and my skin has really sustained well, have shown such amazing results on my skin, and really like my skin at this point. I hope you loved watching this best of 2020 skincare video. I will be here soon with the worst of 2020 products. Stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram @BrunzingGeek. Till then, you take care and I will see you in my next one.